What's good guys, and welcome back into the channel. I'm going to create a bit of a noob tutorial on exactly how I find the next 10 to 100x potential meme coins and shitcoins in the crypto markets. We've recently seen coins such as Pepe 2.0 and Pepe 3.0 demonstrate some incredible price structure and price action, very bullish stuff that if you found early enough you may have been able to get involved and make some crazy amounts of money. Now of course nothing in this video is financial advice, it is merely my own speculative video for entertainment, but I'm going to show you what I do from the ground up, and we're going to look at some different topics on the left right there from yours truly. So how to buy, the importance of a Uniswap MetaMask, finding new pairs, what websites do you use, what should you look out for, metrics and indicators, the community of a project, the liquidity, the gas fees, what are those, how to use Etherscan, importing tokens, and of course we're also going to look at scams and how to identify these as well. So how to buy? Well, first of all guys, the first thing you're going to need is, because this is the world of decentralized finance and DeFi, so you want to be buying these tokens effectively, if that is your mission, before they hit these centralized exchanges where basically they're fully available to the public. Now in the DeFi space you need something like the MetaMask wallet, which is in my opinion the best DeFi soft wallet, or something that you can acquire, download straight to your Chrome as an extension. You can see I've got it right up here. Actually no, you can't see it because I've cropped it out, but I have an extension right up there that if I click you can see all my wallets and stuff like that and exactly what I'm holding. You can alternatively go to the App Store and just download it on your phone, which is of course a super popular method for the portability and mobility that it brings. The other good one is Trust Wallet, very popular on the Ethereum sort of mainnet. The Ethereum is going to be very popular right now with shitcoins and meme coins. Alternatively, you've got the Binance Smart Chain, BRC20 coins also growing quite a lot at the moment as well. So make sure you got either of these downloaded, your own wallet, and they need to be funded with Ethereum in order to operate and create a transaction on the Ethereum mainnet or the Ethereum blockchain, however you want to call it. So you do need to fund these wallets with their native token according to their ecosystem and whichever blockchain you're operating on. So what I do, the first place that I look at, how to buy, how to find these particular coins. So firstly, if you've got your MetaMask wallet, that's fantastic. You can already start buying the tokens if it's funded with Ethereum, and the way you fund it is from your centralized exchange, or simply just top it up with a card, which is also something that you can do. You can see this is my main wallet right here. I've got Ethereum currently. I've got $347 worth of Ethereum right here, and what I typically do is send Ethereum to this address. So instead of hitting the send button, I'd click here and then I'd actually swap in. So you have your own unique wallet address, which is very important, and this is the one up here. So you copy that into your centralized exchange in your Ethereum wallet, and what you do is you withdraw Ethereum to this particular address here, and the Ethereum will stack in this wallet right here, the wallet of your choice. You can also create these wallets super easy. If you want to send tokens out of this wallet, you hit the send button. Once you hit the send button, you simply just click on the wallet, or you copy or paste in the wallet that you need to send to. Straight up easy, very quick, efficient, but you do need the gas fee to operate any transaction, no matter what size. If it's $10,000 or $5, you need gas fee to operate. So we're looking at Dextools right now, guys. This is a website that you can use to scrape and snipe the crypto markets. What it's going to show you is a few metrics and indicators, such as the daily gainers. Right now we can see Homer as a coin that is pumping massively at the moment. So we can look at Homer. We're going to check out the community for this particular stage of the video. When we click right here, we can see Homer Simpson is pumping massively. It's up so much. One thing we need to check is liquidity. So can you actually sell this token? There needs to be liquidity in order to sell and get your money whilst doing it. Yes, we can. So there's $179,000 worth of liquidity right there. Volume is 103,000. You can see you've got all the metrics and indicators on the top left side of Dextools. Total market cap is 2 million, so that's already pumped quite a lot for 200 holders, which makes me think, okay, can it really go to $20 million and do a 10x from here? The coin has already done a crazy pump, so surely the upside potential is now a little bit limited after doing a 3,600% pump. So what I want to show you now is when you do find a coin, how do you actually import this to your MetaMask? I mean, you have the option of being able to directly buy these coins straight from the website here. So you can connect your wallet, you can actually buy the coin straight up on the website if you wanted to, and I can show you an example from other sites very shortly. But what you do is, for example, if you want to buy some of this coin, you're going to head over to a decentralized exchange known as Uniswap. This is where the MetaMask comes into play, because you'll effectively go to Uniswap right here, you'll click the launch the app button. This will pop up the screen here. You connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, I've connected mine in the top right corner. You can change the ecosystem if you want to. That's very important as well. And actually flicking back to Dextools, I also want to show you that you do actually have many different chains that you can look at. If you go to the Pair Explorer in the top left, you can see there are many different mainnets, many different chains where you can find these pumping shitcoins. You can flip over to the BNB side if you wanted to. Personally, I prefer the Ethereum coins. It's just subjective personal preference. So Uniswap effectively is your go-to one-stop crypto shop decentralized exchange. So flipping back to the Homer coin, we can see the token address is listed right under here. What you do is you copy that address, make sure you've copied it in, make sure it's only that address and the correct address. And when I go over here to Uniswap, back into the swapping platform, if I select a token, paste that in, it's going to show the Homer Simpson coin. So this is a custom asset. It's something that is not effectively on centralized exchanges, therefore it's not like fully verified, safe, audited and all that, but it will give you a warning. Now what you can effectively do is actually swap some tokens into that desired shitcoin. I can do $500. It's going to tell me how many Homer coins I would get. It's going to fetch the price. I'd get 97 million Homer tokens. And that's how you would do it on the Uniswap side of things. Of course, you have alternative options. You can buy straight up on the websites if you wanted to as well. So Homer token is an example we're just using for this video. On Dextools, you've also got live new pairs where you can filter through the initial liquidity. You can also filter the listed since. So you can see coins that literally just launched a few seconds ago. That's important if you want to catch a gem that could potentially do really well. Personally as well, if you're also aiming for those really big numbers, it doesn't make sense to be buying a coin that already has $2 million market capitalization. You're better off waiting until, well, find coins that have $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, because it could be a signal that the community is forming, the hype is forming, stuff like that, which is always a good green flag in my opinion. What else do we want to look for? Community. So we're talking about community as well. Click onto the Twitters. Click on to the Telegrams. Verify the socials. And it's good to join these channels and actually understand what's going on. Are they legit? Is it all just bot replies? Is the hype and community actually real? Check out the Twitter pages. Are the engagements real? Are they fake? Are they botted? Is it legit? Is the community also legit as well? Look at the website of the coins. Try and identify red flags. Is it renounced? Is there any liquidity pool locked? This is all good stuff that you want. Is the contract address on display? If so, brilliant. Now these are all for straight to Dex sort of stealth launch coins, and it's nice to have that transparency, because what you can then do when you have the contract address for these coins, this one ends in 440B, which by the way, if you check properly, you can find these contracts on Etherscan as well, but it's important that you also know how to use the Etherscan too. Now, looking at these how to find sort of coins, we've also got other websites that you can use. So we've now seen Dextools. I'm going to show you a couple others that I also like using. One of them is actually Dextools. Of course, we looked at that one, but the other one is DexView. This is a coin where you can straight up buy on the website. DexView is brilliant in my opinion. If you click the wallet button, well, I'm connected right now, but you can actually straight up trade once you are connected with your wallet. It shows your balance, shows what you've got in your wallet, but you can basically swap whatever token you want straight on the platform on this particular listing site, which helps you snipe and prospect the crypto markets. So for example, if I wanted to swap some USDT, if I wanted to put like 25% in, which obviously I'm not going to do that, it shows you exactly what the slippage fees are, how many of the other coin you will acquire, and the price impact at the same time. So that's the potential loss that you might see on the transaction. Here are the price charts as well. If you scroll down, you can see all the buy and sell transactions, so you can sort of get a bit of an insight for the sentiment of these coins. So you can see the buying, you can see the selling, you can see the maker, which highlights the contract addresses or the person's address that bought the coin as well, which is also really important. So Dex View, another one right here in the top left that you can Google and have a look at in your spare time. A similar site is also Dex Screener. So there's three. There's Dextools, Dex Screener, and also Dex View. These coins will help you find these big gems in the market. Now, for example, on this one here, I like just clicking on the 1 hour sign. You can see the top 1 hour pumpers, and that will help you sort of find the coins that are trending, find the coins that have got good liquidity as well. We can look at the last 6 hours, see what's pumping, the last 5 minutes, see what's pumping right now. So we can see this croc coin is pumping at the moment. Clicking onto the croc coin because I'm interested. Market cap is 1 million. Ah, look, this one pumped and it's already had its dump. So for me, I'm not going to get into that coin. The liquidity is good, but it's already hit $1 million market cap. So naturally, I'm not going to be that interested because of that particular metric right there. But yeah, hundreds of coins get listed here. You can see on the left-hand side, you've got all the different chains that you can look at. You've got the Ethereum chain, you've got the Arbitrum chain, you've got Polygon. Again, these are all different pairs that you can explore in your spare time. You've got watch lists that you can customize and make yourself. You've got the gainers and losers, so you're going to find some of the biggest pumpers in the market. Again, these sites are designed to help you identify the coins that are pumping and trending in the market. I mean, look at this one here, Opt BNB, 30,000% increase in price, market cap $9.6 million, good liquidity, but it's already pumped way too much for me to actually think about getting into. So remember, you can actually take any of the contract addresses for these coins, and you can basically throw them into Uniswap if you want to. You can see you've got the pair here, you've got the croc address here, you've got the wrapped Ethereum address down here on the bottom right as well, which will help you, of course, look on Etherscan and stuff like that. So Uniswap, a great platform. If you're using, of course, Ethereum, you're not going to be able to kind of get the advantages of PancakeSwap here for the BNB side of things, but you can also use the PancakeSwap network for the BNB smart chain if you wish, where you simply connect your wallet in the top right hand corner. Of course, this is another decentralized exchange where you can buy lots of coins, lots of shit coins, meme coins, and it is a perfect place to do so. Now, how about gas fees? Because at the end of the day, every single coin transaction, whatever you do, every input and output on these soft wallets will require gas fees. You can check etherscan.io/gas tracker, and you can see the Uniswap V3. Here is the average gas price right now, $6.55. So it's not too high, but let's say you're someone that you've only got $50 capital and you do 2 transactions. One is to buy, one is to sell. Straight away, there's 20% of your overall capital has gone away on gas fees straight away. So it's something else you've got to also take into consideration if you're investing in these shit coins. You can also use sites like this, ycharts.com, checking out the historical data. Of course, in May we had so much network congestion because of the Pepe coin creating a meme mania phase. What we saw was a major increase in the gas prices. So right now, this also correlates with the sentiment and also the hype in the market. We can see that we are down on the meme coin sentiment, which is fine. Meme coins are still a great lucrative opportunity in my opinion. Of course, not financial advice, but right now gas fees are not too high. So Pepe coin was one that recently pumped. Of course, you've got the Ethereum address right here, so you can click on that address. And I'm going to show you how to use and have benefits of Etherscan, which effectively allows you to sort of look at all the in-depth blockchain transactions, the ins and outs of contracts and stuff. So if we click here, we can find Pepe coin, the Pepe token right here, and we can see if we click onto Pepe, we're going to get all the holders, the transactions, the exchanges. We can see transfers. If we click on holders, it's going to show things like wealth distribution. We can see Binance 8 is actually holding 20% of the total circulation. We've got OKX with a large amount as well. So these are partnerships, most likely, big deals that they strike before listing on decentralized exchanges, because the centralized exchanges want coins with the largest amount of volume, because that's what gives them benefit. They want volume on the exchanges. They want the transaction fees as well as the exchange fees. So you can do things like this. You can look at the transfers. You can see where the money is going. You can also look at how many people are holding the coin in current live time. You can just get a lot of different metrics that you need to know about. And if we just quickly go to the meme section of here, if we could just type in like any meme coin right now, I don't know, let's think of Wojak, for instance, another one that recently pumped. We can do the same thing. So you take the address, you type it into your Etherscan, and it's going to come up with Wojak token. We can see what this particular contract address is holding, but if you click onto Wojak again, you can go through the holders. You can see the wealth distribution as well, because what you don't want to see is the developers holding all of the tokens, because they could effectively dump their position and use you guys as an exit liquidity after pumping the coin and spending thousands on marketing. They will make their money back. So yeah, it's an interesting one. Have we covered the majority? Importing tokens, we've looked at how to import to your Uniswap. Same with the MetaMask, by the way, guys. I'm going to show you very quickly how to import. For example, I have not imported Wojak to my MetaMask wallet, but let's say I want to see it display. So what you're going to do is in your MetaMask in the top right hand corner, import tokens, go to custom token, token address goes in, we see Wojak appears. You're going to click on add the custom token, import the token, and now when we go back to my list, it says Wojak has 0 USDT. So very interesting to see how you can do that. What else have we needed in the cover? Community, check the Twitters, check the Telegrams, check anything that you can. Make sure they're the real profiles as well. Scams, make sure you do not fall for fake websites that are out there. Of course, you're going to get some rug pulls out there. Unfortunately, it happens in the crypto world. So look for liquidity. Make sure it's not all botted traffic, and obviously make sure the developers aren't holding the coin as well, and make sure you can actually see liquidity so you can pull money out of the project. Otherwise, it could just be very malicious. So we look at gas fees, Etherscan, important tokens, scams, liquidity, community as well. Finding new pairs, you can use DexView, Dextools, Dex Screener. How to buy, of course, you need to get a MetaMask or Trust wallet. Just a little bit of a sort of overview here of the whole video. Make sure when you have those funded, you obviously find the coins, you import the token contract address to Uniswap or the MetaMask or straight on the DexView or Dextools site. Once you connect your wallet, you've got your wallet funded. And finding new pairs is straight up just doing your own research and your own due diligence as well. If you're new to the channel, you can also get yourself into my Discord as well, which will also help highlight big opportunities in the crypto markets, where you can also explore some very juicy crypto insights and signals too, which I really am proud of. I mean, some people are making some really good gains on the trading side of things. So yeah, it's going pretty well. I've got some pre-sales down below live that you can check out. Not financial advice. Jacob's Crypto Clan is down below as well. I hope this video was somewhat insightful and helpful. If it was confusing and you have any questions, I'll get back to you in the comments 100%. But this is just a short sort of noob sort of beginner guide of what to do. These are the points that you need to have covered, and of course just understand key fundamentals, how market cycles work, the psychology of market cycles, and have it all nailed, and just understand what you're doing. Do your own research, look at white papers, look at where the money's going, look at who's talking about the coins. Sometimes it's good to just Google the coins. Like if we just go here, Wojak coin, what can you see? You can see it on CoinMarketCap. Of course, these are verified websites, very legit. But yeah, for example, we're talking about scams actually. This could be a scam. I don't know. Woj.finance doesn't look safe in my opinion. Sometimes at the top, we can type in something like Wall Street memes. Sometimes you do get fake websites advertising at the top of Google. Let's see if it happens. No, we don't see it, but sometimes sitting at the top here, sponsored, you'll see an ad and it's a fake website as well. So please make sure you're not clicking on those fake adverts and only click on coins, in my opinion, from things like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, where the website will be there. For example, if you click here, Polkadot, we've got the website right there. I know it's the legitimate website. Same applies for shitcoins, meme coins too. Anyways, this video is 18 minutes long. I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button and see you all soon.
Monkey, yeah.